Ellargu Namaskara. Hello everyone. Welcome to World Education Center. My name is Kaushalya Majge. So today's video is about top universities in Ukraine. So Ukraine is one of the top destination for studying MBBS, and this is being chosen by thousands of students in India just because the universities are government here. Most of the universities are government, and the European curriculum and the quality of education, quality of infrastructure, and one of the safe place for Indian students, and there are a lot of Indian students presently studying. So these are some of the reasons why Indian students choose Ukraine as their study destination for MBBS. So before I start a video about universities, so I would like to request you all, please stay home, stay safe, and we all are badly hit by coronavirus wave 2. So please don't unnecessarily step out of the house. And currently we've been locked at home as Karnataka is completely burnt for next 15 days. So we try to contribute something to the society by just sitting at home and not coming into the contact of people. As you know, it is spreading very badly in Bangalore. Don't forget those 3 mantras, like wear your mask whenever you step out of the house, and wash your hands, maintain social distancing. So hope you all are doing well, and I pray for each and everybody's health in India, as coronavirus is badly hitting everyone. So let's get started. So the top one university, which is the top one university? The top one university in Ukraine is Kharkiv National Medical University. This is one of the best university in Ukraine, I can say, as this university is recruiting Indian students from so many years. There are a lot of students who are already graduated from this university and presently studying in India, also abroad, and this is one of the best place which Indian student can go, as this has most of the good facility, and this is one of my favorite university as well, as you know, absolutely you have zero complaints when the student goes. The students are really happy. They have all kind of facility, Indian food, Indian hostel, the quality of education, and the standards of living, so everything is good. So one of the best university, I can say, and one of my personal favorite. So let's know about this university. So when it is established, so this is established in 1805. That means this is more than 200-year-old university. So I don't have to say more. The university history says how good is the university. The world ranking is 7,866, and the country rank is 122, and the course duration is 6 years here. And recognition, so this is recognized by a National Medical Commission and the UNESCO and WHO, World Health Organization. Number of Indian students presently studying here are 2,800 plus students are presently studying here, and the number of international students presently studying here are 7,000 plus students are presently studying here. The location is Kharkiv, which is also one of the largest city and one of the main cities of Ukraine, and this was been a former capital city of Ukraine as well. And Kharkiv is also called as student city. Here there are more than 15 universities are presently there, and there are and students are going to Kharkiv for many, not only studying MBBS, for other courses, for engineering and science and the veterinary. So for many courses students are going here, and this is also called as student city. So you find a lot of international student crowd here, and this is going to be the best place for Indian students as well, as this university has good history of giving good education to the students, especially international students. So medium of teaching here is completely English, and the eligibility, so students should score in 12th physics, chemistry, biology, they should score above 60%, and tuition fee will be $4,800 per year, which is going to be 3,36,000 in Indian rupees. It's going to be per year. So hostel fee will be $800 per year, which will be around 56,000. The next university will be VN Karazhan Kharkiv National Medical University. Even this university is one of the good university, and these universities are very much like close by. You can say that they are like next to next campus. So VN Karazhan is also one of the good university. It is established in 1804, and again this university is one of oldest university in Ukraine, and this university has given 3 Nobel prizes. That means this university has 3 Nobel Prize winners of 3 Nobel Prize winners are from this particular university. So you can say that how best is the education here, as this has given 3 Nobel Prize winners. So this is going to be the best university for Indian students as well. The country rank is 11, the world rank is 2829, course duration is 6 years. Recognition, again it's recognized by WHO, UNESCO and National Medical Commission India. Number of Indian students presently studying here are 2,300 and plus, and the number of international students presently studying here are 14,000. The location is Kharkiv, again this is located in Kharkiv. Medium of teaching is English, and the eligibility is again in physics, chemistry, biology. The student should score minimum 60% and the NEET should be qualified. The tuition fee will be 4,500 per year, which is approximately around 3,15,000. Hostel fee will be $800 per year, which is approximately 56,000 in Indian rupees. So let's go to the next university. Next university will be Kyiv Medical University of UAFM. So let me before I start with this particular university. This university is located in Kyiv. So the universities which are present in capital so are always best, because as I've also mentioned, as the capital city will have more population, and students will get in a good clinical exposure. So when there is a population, definitely the patient intake in the hospitals which are accredited by the universities are going to be high, and when there is a good patient intake, definitely students will have good clinical exposure. So as this university is located in capital city, this is going to be the best choice for any students. So this is located in 1922. That means this is approximately around 100-year old. World ranking will be 12,800 and the country ranking is 181. Course duration is 6 years. And the recognition is also, this university is recognized by WHO, UNESCO and National Medical Commission India. Number of Indian students presently studying here are 400 and plus. A number of international students presently studying here are 3,500 and plus. Location, this is located in Kyiv, which is the capital city, and the medium of instruction is going to be English. And the eligibility, again to study in this university, in 12 students should score in physics, chemistry, biology above 60% and NEET should be qualified by the student. Tuition fee will be just $3,500 per year, which will be approximately 2,45,000 in Indian rupees. Hostel fee will be $1,000 per year, which is approximately 70,000. So let's go to the next university. The next university will be Zaporozhye State Medical University. So before I start a video, details about this university, Zaporozhye State Medical University is one of the best university in Ukraine, because so the first Indian students who have gone to abroad for studying MBBS is to Zaporozhye State Medical University. That means this is that oldest university. When the Zaporozhye was a part of like Soviet Russia. So Ukraine now it is in European Union. So earlier it was in the Soviet Russia. So when Zaporozhye was in the Soviet Russia, as you know, Russia has good history of taking Indian students for studying MBBS or other courses. So from that time, the first Indian student who have gone to abroad to study MBBS is to Zaporozhye State Medical University. So this university has more than 2000 Indian graduates who are presently graduated from this from India from Zaporozhye State Medical University, and presently practicing in India, also practicing in other part of the world. And this is one of the oldest and best university, and the first Ukraine university to collaborate with Bank of India. So if you apply to this university, getting loan is very easy for you, as this university is already affiliated with Bank of India. So keep all these things in the mind whenever you choose university in Ukraine. So this is going to help you in choosing the university. So let's know about the university. The university started in 1951, and the world ranking is 4883. The country ranking is 48. The course duration is 6 years. Recognition, it is recognized by WHO, UNESCO, and also National Medical Commission India. Number of Indian students presently studying here are 450 plus, and the number of international students presently studying here are 3400. The location is Zaporozhye. Medium of instruction is going to be English. Eligibility criteria: to apply to this university, student should have minimum 64% in physics, chemistry, biology, and student should be qualified by the NEET. Hostel fee will be, tuition fee will be $4,500 per year, which is going to be around 3,15,000 rupees in Indian rupees. The hostel fee will be $500 per year, which is going to be 35,000 rupees per year. So let's get into the next university. The next university will be Lviv National Medical University. So Lviv National Medical University is also one of the best university in Ukraine. In case if you are thinking to go to Ukraine, please do consider this university, as this is one of the old university, and this is just about 40 kilometer away from the Poland border. So here the complete quality of living, quality of education is completely European, and one of the very calm. This is away from Kiev, so which is in the remote place, but it is, as it is in the remote, it is very calm place, and one of the best place for Indian students. In case if you are thinking to go to Ukraine, please do consider this university. So this is established in 1784. That means this is closely 300 year university, and one of the oldest university in Ukraine. World ranking is 4217, and the country ranking is 31. Course duration is 6 years. Recognition, it is also recognized by WHO, UNESCO, and also National Medical Commission India. Number of Indian students presently studying here are 250 plus. Number of international students studying here are 5000 plus. And the location is, it's located in Lviv, Ukraine. Medium of teaching is English. Eligibility to study in this university, the student should score 60% and above in physics, chemistry, biology, and student should be qualified by NEET. Tuition fee is $4,900, which is approximately 3,43,000 in Indian rupees per year. The hostel fee is $800 per year, which is approximately 56,000 Indian rupees per year. So the next university will be Sumy State Medical University. So Sumy State Medical University is also one of the good university, and some of the universities are not in the limelight. That means they are not so popular in Ukraine, but they are best university. So Sumy State Medical University is one among them, as this university provides quality education and the best infrastructure and everything, but still SUMI is not so popular. But according to me, as I've sent students here and as I know the university details, so this is one of the best university of Ukraine. So this is located in 1993, so one of the new university. World ranking is, see, though it is not that oldest university, the world ranking is 2153. That means this university quality of education is really good. Also infrastructure and all other factors are really good here. Country ranking is fourth in Ukraine. The course duration is 6 years. Recognition is WHO. It is recognized by WHO, UNESCO and National Medical Commission India. So number of Indian students presently studying here are 500 and plus. Number of international students presently studying here are 9,000 plus. Location, so this is located in Sumy, which is approximately around 500 kilometer from Kiev. So student can travel by the domestic flight, or they can also travel by train or bus, anything. And the medium of instruction is English. Eligibility to apply to this university, students should score in 12th in physics, chemistry, biology. They should score above 50%, and also students should also qualified by NEET. The hostel tuition fee here is $4,300 per year, which is equivalent to 3 lakh rupees in Indian rupees per year. Hostel fee is $400 per year, which is approximately just 28,000 in Indian rupees per year. The next university will be Vinnytsia National Medical University. This is the last university which I'm gonna explain to you. So Vinnytsia is also one of the good university and one of the best university in Ukraine. So which is kind of a little old university, and many international students and many Indian students are presently studying here, and the quality education is also good, and students are also really happy whoever is gone here, and which is very close by Kyiv city, which is about 200 kilometers from Kyiv, so student can easily commute as well. So this is established in 1921. The world ranking is 5,596. The country ranking is 64. The course duration is 6 years. Recognition. This is recognized by WHO, UNESCO, and also National Medical Commission India. So number of Indian students presently studying here are 350 plus. Number of international students presently studying here are 4,000 plus. The location is also Vinnytsia. Medium of instruction is English. Eligibility criteria to apply to this university, students should score in 12th in physics, chemistry, biology 50% and above, and also students should be qualified by the NEET. Tuition fee is $5,000 per year, which is equivalent to 3,50,000 rupees per year. The hostel fee will be $450 per year, which is approximately just 31,500 in Indian rupees. So this ends all the universities of Ukraine. So these are some of the best university which you can choose from, and most of the universities are oldest universities, and most of the universities comes less than 5,000 ranking, and most of the universities are top in Ukraine, and all the universities are government, and all the universities have Ukraine, if at all you're choosing Ukraine, so some of the advantages, like you can also have international exchange programs, like student can go to Germany and other European countries for their clinical rotations. Some of the universities do provide USMLE coaching and PLAB coaching, which can help students to do their post graduation in US and UK. And also some of the universities do provide German internship programs in case so that it helped them to go to Germany and do their post graduation or to do their internship programs. So these are some of the best universities of Ukraine. Hope this video helped you to choose some of the best universities of Ukraine, in case if at all you are thinking to go to Ukraine for your medical education. So thank you so much for watching, and in case if you have any comments or any feedbacks, please do comment in the comment section. Please like my all the videos, so that I'll be keep updating lots of interesting videos for you which is related to MBBS abroad. And please do subscribe to our channel, so that you will be notified with all our videos, so that you don't miss out any of our videos. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Namaste.